AI is taking over your job in 2025. As we move towards 2025, the ongoing evolution of roles continues to take center stage in our discussions of work adaptation. Particularly, customer service representatives, who typically thrive on personal interaction, are experiencing a seismic shift. AI chatbots have become not just assistants, but primary operators in many companies, taking responsibility for tasks that once required human empathy and judgment. This presents a unique challenge, as the essential human touch in these roles begins to wane, forcing employees to rethink their career trajectories. Additionally, content creators, including writers and journalists, now face a formidable competitor in generative AI technologies capable of producing written materials at a rate and consistency previously unimaginable. As AI tools refine their skills and increase their output, the demand for traditional writing roles is poised to diminish. Furthermore, data analysts, once in high demand for their ability to interpret complex data sets, find themselves in an uphill battle as AI systems revolutionize data processing capabilities, increasingly outpacing human analysis. Retail roles are not immune to this transformation either, with cashiers facing the challenge of self-checkout technologies that streamline operations, but also reduce the need for staff. In logistics, truck drivers confront the rise of autonomous delivery systems, fundamentally altering the landscape of transportation jobs. Through all of these changes, it becomes apparent that the future workforce must focus on roles that harness unique human qualities, such as creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Transitioning into these newer roles will require significant investment in skills training and a willingness to embrace lifelong learning pathways. As we equip ourselves for the future, establishing networks and seeking mentorships will be crucial for understanding how to intersect our professional lives with the efficiency of AI technologies. The adaptability of the workforce, rooted in a recognition that continuous evolution is essential for relevance, will be the key differentiator in an increasingly automated world. Emphasizing this synergy between human capability and technological advancement will illuminate a path forward, ensuring that individuals are not only preparing for change, but actively shaping it to secure their professional futures. As we delve deeper into these transitions, it's essential to identify sectors where human skills will remain paramount. Take healthcare, for instance, where empathy and personal touch are irreplaceable in patient care. Healthcare workers must enhance their soft skills and develop a deeper understanding of AI applications, ensuring they remain invaluable in their roles. Similarly, in education, teachers possess the unique ability to inspire and motivate students, skillfully navigating classroom dynamics that AI cannot replicate. By focusing on these areas, individuals can fortify their job security, even in the face of relentless technological change. Additionally, skilled trades like plumbing and electrical work, which require hands-on expertise and adaptability, will continue to thrive. Emphasizing this blend of technical abilities and interpersonal skills creates a robust toolkit for future job seekers, positioning them favorably in a competitive job market. As we consider the broader implications of these shifts, it becomes clear that while many roles may become automated, there will always be a demand for the human touch that fosters connection and understanding in every field. As we shift our focus to the sectors that stand resilient against automation, we must recognize the enduring importance of roles that cannot be easily replicated by machines. In creative industries, for instance, the need for unique human perspectives and emotional resonance drives artists and designers to innovate in ways that AI cannot fully emulate. Marketing professionals and brand strategists, too, thrive on their ability to understand and connect with consumer sentiments, crafting narratives that capture imaginations. By nurturing this artistry and intuition, individuals can carve out niches that remain indispensable, preserving the essence of human creativity in an AI-driven landscape. As we conclude, it's crucial to understand that while automation reshapes job functions, embracing our human qualities will be the cornerstone of future success. By enhancing our unique skills and fostering creativity, we not only adapt to change, but also actively contribute to a workforce where humans and machines collaboratively thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow TechWave65 for more content like this. Thanks for watching.